Hello, in this video tutorial we will learn how to use a new resource of Yamina v3 database. This new resource is called build component and you can find it here among the resources in the resource manager window. First, I will try to explain why we introduce this new type of resource. As you know, archaeological features are made of different structural and architectural components, such as the walls, doors, windows, courtyards, decorative elements. In the Yamina database, all these individual parts that make up the structure of the archaeological features are named build components. In this new version of the database, it's now possible to create individual records for each of these components. This is for in the case you feel like that you have to record specific characteristics that are important for your record and that cannot be captured well enough in the heritage place record. This is also particularly useful and important because sometimes you may then wish to do a detailed condition assessment of just one component of a feature or a structure, which does not necessarily affect the entire site or feature that is recorded instead in the heritage place record. For example, if just one wall of a structure is suffering from water damage, or if a decorative architectural element is degrading, you want to record this specific component of your archaeological feature. And to do this, you can create a build component, and then you can create a related detailed condition assessment. So in this video tutorial, you will learn how to create a new build component record. And it's very important that you relate the build component to the corresponding heritage place record. So to start, there are two ways. Or you go here in the resource manager, and from resources, you click here on the build component card in created resource. Or and this second way is actually the advised one. The second way is the recommended and preferred method. Is to instead fill your heritage place record. In this case, we have an example of an heritage place that now we will relate to the build component. And if you should know that inside your archaeological assessment, you can record the single features of your record. Inside the card of the site feature, at the end, you can find build component. If you click on it, you can or add a relationship to a new build component that already exists and you want to relate it to this feature, or you can click on create a new build component. And from here, you can start to record your component.